That did help a little bit. However, my under eye still sucks.
I'm gonna test this out. Keep in mind that I'm an artist. I'm sensitive about my shit.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Chariti Sinae and I am back with another video. Today I'm doing a Summer Walker inspired look. So I just know she was out. I think she was celebrating the release of her album, and she just had these beautiful like red glittery eyes. I don't think she had any like face makeup on, but you know me, y'all know better. So yeah, I just wanted to recreate the look because I absolutely loved it. So by the way, this is hot Cheetos. That's why my tongue is so red. So yeah, if you would like to see how I created this look, just keep on watching. So going in with Painterly from MAC, and I'm just going to first prime my eyelids just so we could have a solid base for our eyeshadow today. I hate my focus. I need like help. I have to do some research to figure out exactly how to work this camera settings. So for today, we are working out of the MacBook by the crayon case. So for eyeshadow, we're literally going to be using this red and then this like deep plum red right here. So first, taking that red shade, and I'm going to begin to pack that onto my lid. That's literally like the entire process of this look, just packing and blending, really. And it's not gonna take long to do this, like, at all. I'm just doing what I see, you know. I don't have no like makeup tips. I don't know the products that was used. I'm just doing what I see in the picture, okay? That's it. And I'm just packing that on and working my way up so it'll be easy to blend, so we won't have so much of a harsh line. And before I blend that out, I'm going to work on this other eye as well. Just gonna take a brush, a regular blending brush, and I'm just going to go along the edges and blend that out, going in circular motions, you know what I'm saying? See, literally it's that easy. Like, it took all of like 5 seconds to blend that out. Like, that's how you want it to be. Nice, perfect. And now we're just going to come to the other side, you know what I'm saying? Because what you do to one side, you gotta do to the other side. You know what I'm saying? It's blending out beautifully though. I'm just about to go on with this NYX Epic Ink eyeliner, and I'm just going to create a line for lashes. Like that. just a real thin line, you know. So for lashes, going in with the Miami's by Lily Lashes. Y'all, what I thought, like, I forgot the glitter. Like, what I got going on, y'all? So she looked like she applied hers like sporadically, like she didn't pack it on, you know. So I'm just gonna go on with some NYX glitter glue, put some on the back of my hand, and just kind of go on the eye, kind of dot it on, you know, kind of dot it on, you know, kind of all over, and just see, like, you know, what comes out of that. For glitter, I'll be using Ruby from MAC. There's no real method to my madness, you know, honestly. And then I'm kind of dragging my brush across just to spread it out even more, kind of, you know, just sporadically throughout the lid, you know. I think I like it like that, you know. I think that's where I'm gonna leave it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is go to concealer, start my face makeup. I'm going in with the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer first. This is so liquidy. Oh my gosh, it's so good at brightening. Like, I love this stuff. Just going into the areas I normally highlight when it comes to concealer, which is my nose, my under eye, my top lip, my chin, my forehead. Taking my Juno & Co sponge and just going to blend that in. Oh. This concealer is so good. I love this concealer, especially Bare Minerals. They have such amazing, like, ingredients. So they have such clean ingredients, so that's always a plus when it comes to makeup, especially because since the season has changed, my skin has been acting up. My skin has been acting up big time, like, since fall. I have to get that under control. I'm going on top of that with my KKW Beauty Concealer because this one is a little bit thicker, so the coverage is going to be more so how I like it. So this one is a little bit more creamier. Like, take a minute and drink some water while I let it dry down a little bit, you know. So I know this concealer has some skincare benefits in it as well. It's supposed to be really hydrating for the under eye, and it's supposed to help with the prevention of, like, wrinkles and getting bad creases under the eye. So those are just some of the benefits from it. Just about to kind of set and bake, you know, and literally mainly like my under eye area, y'all notice, and I am doing that with my Beauty Bakery powder in the shade Yellow. I'm going to first, oh, it's patching. I wish y'all could see my under eye right now, like. It looks atrocious. I'm going in with my KKW Beauty, and this is what I'm gonna use to bronze today. I'm going in with Raisin Blush from MAC, and this is what I'm going to use to, you know, give my cheeks some color. I just hope. This can kind of distract like how my under eye looks, which no, it just made it look worse. So much worse. I don't know what can save this, but I'm gonna keep going because, you know, the eye look was the most important part. So as long as we got that, then that's okay. I don't know like how to save this, so this can just be like y'all seeing my trial and error, you know, going in with my MAC Dark Skin Mineralized Powder from MAC. What I think I'm going to do is schedule my first facial. I've had a facial one time, but it was when I worked at Ulta. And you know, some Ultas have estheticians in certain locations. I'm not sure about all locations, but I know certain Ultas do. And the one I used to work at had an esthetician, and she was a new hire, so she had kind of needed to practice. So she gave me a facial, and it was honestly incredible. I'm just gonna go on with some spray. Spray that directly in the center of my face and see how that happens, you know. So because Texas has been cold lately and it is actually adjusting to fall, I think now my skin is adjusting to fall, and my skin is very dry now, so now I have to adjust some of my products. Yeah, because certain products and combining certain products with other certain products is really just going to dry me out completely, and that's not okay. So yeah, that did help a little bit. However, my under eye still sucks. So I'm taking this lip liner from MAC. It's called Dark Out. It's like a burgundy lip liner, but I've never used it on my lips. I've never used it at all. And I just want to use it because it's red and it'll go really good with the lip, you know. And I'm just going to very sloppily put a line on my lower lash line, so that way we could smudge it out pretty decent, you know. So what I'm gonna do, where's my pencil brush? I'm taking a pencil brush and I'm picking up that burgundy shade from the palette, and excuse me, that's what I'm gonna use to smoke out this color. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna pick up that red and go right under that, like that, just to really smoke that out. hopefully this doesn't stain or irritate my eyes, because red around the eyes can kind of cause some sensitivity, especially for people with sensitive eyes, such as myself. So I'm going in with my L'Oreal Telescopic. Just gonna roughly go on my lower lash line, you know, like so. Taking my Lash Paradise from L'Oreal and going on top of that. So what I have to do now is find a lip, so I'll be right back. So first, what I'm going to line my lips with is Bittersweet by MAC Cosmetics, and then I'm going to fill them in with One and Only from Dose of Colors, the Mickey Mouse collection. And then I'm also going to go on top of that with Go for Gold Dazzle Glass from MAC. This is nice. So proud. But yeah, so this is the look, y'all. Like, I actually really like it. Just up close, I don't like it, just because of how my face makeup came out. Like, right up in here, it's just like kind of patchy. Like, I just feel like in this area, my makeup, the powder really clung to that area of my face, and it's almost like it's not really patchy, it's just like cakey. Other than that, I absolutely love my makeup. Like, this is such a beautiful look. I'm gonna get a few selfies now. I'm gonna have to Facetune them a little bit, go in and soften it up a little bit so y'all can see how bad my face makeup is. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. My tongue is so red because I was eating hot Cheetos, but I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Please be sure to comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see from me on my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and then be sure to turn on your post notifications so you will be notified whenever I do upload. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys.